Recipe is green peas and raw banana khurma. Let us see how we make it. The ingredients required are, see, I have taken one big onion slice and 15 small onion slice, 3 or 4 green chilies, one apple tomato slice, and these 2 country tomatoes. I will add 3/4 of the khurma when it is cooked. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of onion paste and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and 1.5 tablespoon of coconut paste and 1 tablespoon of ordinary chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Apart from that, the flavoring masalas are the sabut masala, whole masala of cinnamon, cloves and also cardamom, and then 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of quarter teaspoon of fennel powder. All these things I am going to use in making this recipe. And then of course in the end I am going to sprinkle the coriander leaf, and optional, if you want you can add while frying the masalas one say small katori like this, not even one half the katori of curd, thick curd, or if it is not there you can add the half a lime in the end just before simmering. These are optional, not necessary, because we are adding sufficient tomatoes. So let us start. See, a kadai is kept and 2 tablespoons of oil is added to it. When it is hot, add the onion, tomato and green chilies and fry to the glassy consistency. Ginger garlic paste is added and it is fried well till the masala smell goes. Then 1.5 spoon of tomato onion paste, 1.5 spoon of tomato paste added to this, and it is fried well till the raw smell goes. Add all the masalas, 12 masalas. Add a kotori of water so that masala is not sticking to the bottom, and let the masala smell goes well. You can add country tomatoes. Fry it well. Add salt. When the oil comes out of the masala, we have to add the raw banana. So you can see that the masala is fried well. Now I am soaking this into the kach ka pani, that is rice washed water, so it doesn't become black in color. Now mix it well. Nice aroma comes. It's a very tasty food for the vegetarians as well as the non-vegetarians. It gives a very good taste for both. If the masala, everything is added properly. Now add the this is called the khurma masala, that is fennel powder, garam masala, cumin powder, and also poppy powder, and also here I have not added poppy powder, and chilies, coriander powder and poppy powder are added. It becomes a khurma masala. Now I have not added the poppy etc. Now mix it well. Because both the vegetables can be cooked quickly, so I am adding it now along with the masala. The time taken for the masala and this will be the same water to it, so that the khurma cooks well. When it is 3/4 cooked, I will be adding the coconut paste. Let it cook for say 7 minutes. 5 minutes over. And see whether vegetables are cooked. We can add paste, coconut paste. Those who like, they can add the kasuri methi also to it. Now the vegetables are cooked and the khurma is ready to serve. You can see the red lining is formed over it, a layer, which says that it is ready. Now we can sprinkle the coriander leaf. That's all. Do it like this, with little water, and leave it for say 40 seconds at low flame. That's all. The khurma is ready. See, I have cooked it within 12 minutes. Keep it at low flame for say 40 seconds and then you can serve the khurma. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and give me watch time. Like it, share with your friends. Enjoy.